Hootsuite tutorial for beginners. So this is a simple, easy guide on Hootsuite tutorial for beginners. So go to any web browser and then type Hootsuite, and then you should see this one. And now, in order for you to sign in or sign up, you need to start your free trial. But before that, let's go to pricing first. As you can see, these are the plans that Hootsuite offers. You can see here professional, which you can avail the free 30-day trial. Also for the team and enterprise, which you need to request a demo. So if you're okay with this, then what you're going to do is click this free 30-day trial, and you must prepare your credit card or debit card or your PayPal in order for you to avail or purchase this free 30-day trial. So select your plan to get started. You have two options right here. So you have to click the first one, but it's up to you if you want to click the second one here. Okay, so it will take you directly to the payment section. So let's create your account. You can create your account using your email address and password, or you can also just simply connect your Google account right here. But you cannot proceed if you don't add your payment method. For example, if you want to try this free trial, you can try and enter your billing details. If you want your credit card, just add the credit card details. For PayPal, you just have to link your PayPal. Once successfully linked, then you can now connect your social account to get started. So you can choose Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, everything is up to you. For this tutorial, let's connect our Instagram account. So click Instagram, then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then here you can select your Instagram profile type. So if you want to add your Instagram personal, just click the first one. Instagram business, which you can add your Facebook and Instagram account, then click the second one. And as you can see, it is recommended. So you can click the second one here. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can see here new post to. You can add a text, you can add media. So if you want to add a media, just click this one, drag and drop file right here. You can also browse your media. You can just simply add this from your Google Drive or from your computer. You can also add Twitter location if you want to post on your Twitter. Basically, you can also schedule this post later or you can post now. Now, if you want to make your post something enticing or captivating, you can use one of their template, one of their themes here in their library. So basically, just choose any free image. So click this media library right here. Once done, then tap close media library. As easy as that. So basically, Hootsuite is a social media management platform that allows users to schedule, manage, and analyze social media posts across multiple networks from this single dashboard. It is widely used by businesses, marketers, and individuals to streamline their social media efforts, monitor engagement, and track performance across platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and more. And again, this is the single dashboard. And then here you can do a lot of things. So the key features of Hootsuite includes content scheduling, plan and schedule posts in advance across multiple social media accounts, social listening, monitor conversations, brand mentions, and trends on various social platforms, analytics and reporting, which I'm going to show you later. Team collaboration enable multiple team members to work together on social media strategies and content creation. Integration with application. So connect Hootsuite with other tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, Canva, and more streamlined to your workflow. So this is what it looks like if you have used one of their free image, and then you can just simply edit this one. You can use this in your Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So if you tap post, then automatically or successfully you have published this to your Instagram, to your Twitter, to your Facebook. So that would be easier to do, especially if you have business. You don't need to go to your Facebook login then post, to your Instagram login and post, and also to your Twitter and Pinterest. You can just do it easily here in a single dashboard, and thanks to Hootsuite. So as you can see, aside from posting, you can see here add streamline or add stream, add social network. And on the right side, you can see here networks, home, mentions. If someone mentioned you, you will see here all retweets, all your followers, all list, likes, your tweets, all your search, and scheduled posts. So everything is here. No need to go to your Twitter application. You just have to open your Hootsuite. So, like what I mentioned earlier, it helps businesses and individuals manage their social media presence efficiently by providing tools for organization, performance tracking, and audience management. So if you go to the left side, you can see this also publisher option here. So the publisher option with the calendar icon in Hootsuite is a feature that allows users to schedule, organize, and manage their social media posts, as you can see right here. This is a calendar, right? So you can manage or they can manage their social media posts across various platforms in a visual calendar view, which is this one. So this tool is helpful for social media managers who want to plan content like in advance and maintain a consistent posting schedule. So here at how it works, you can access the publisher, you can schedule the post, you can view and manage schedule content, you can post review, and then you can work with a team here. So basically that's the advantage of it. Now, as you can see, there is this inbox in Hootsuite. So the inbox is a feature designed to help users manage and engage with messages and comments from their social media accounts in one centralized location. Here you can unify message management. You can also sort and filter messages here by different criteria, such as in read, flag, or by specific social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, etc. You can also add this or allow for collaborative social media management. Conversation history, you can see here automated responses and message templates, sentiment and response tracking, and manage multiple platforms. And last here is this Hootsuite Analytics. So this feature provides users with detailed insights and reports on the performance of their social media accounts, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. It helps businesses and individuals track key metrics, monitor social media performance, and understand how their content is performing across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms. You can also go and tap this question mark if there is some issues here. You can ask a help from them. You can go to settings if you want to add something more about your details or change something with your account. So these are just a few advantages of using Hootsuite. Okay, so aside from tracking everything in a single dashboard, this platform provides several advantages, particularly for businesses, marketers, and individuals looking to manage and streamline their social media efforts. Okay, so in short, Hootsuite provides a comprehensive set of tools to help manage, grow, and optimize your social media presence efficiently, making it a valuable platform for anyone looking to improve their social media strategy. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.